What is going on, guys? Today I will be building a PC similarly priced to the Xbox One, but unlike other videos, I figured if I were to ever buy an Xbox One, I won't just buy the Xbox bundle. So what I did to get my price budget of $712, I got an Xbox One 1TB Elite bundle at $398, an additional Elite controller at $142, an Xbox One Kinect sensor at $100, the Supremacy controller charging station at $24, and the Xbox One stereo headset at $48. I did it like this because I figured at some point in me playing Xbox, my friends would like to play with me. I'd want to play some action games using the Kinect because playing at my friends' houses, I found this to be very fun, and my mom would constantly nag me to turn down the volume, so I would need a headset. So now that I completed the Xbox One setup guide, let's get into what we all came here for, the PC. Starting with the component that holds it all together, I went with the Roswell Galaxy 2 ATX mid-tower case. Now this isn't the most dirt cheap case on the market. It looks fairly decent and it gets good average ratings on PC Part Picker, but don't expect anything amazing since this case goes for only $35. Now for the processor, I went with the very popular AMD FX 8350 4GHz 8-core processor, costing $160. Yes, this will be an AMD build, but I firmly believe that for anything under $1,000, AMD will still deliver the best bang for the buck. I really wanted to liquid cool the CPU to get the maximum potential out of our 8-core processor, so I went with the Corsair 860 CPU liquid cooler for $60. For the GPU, I stuck with Team Red and went with the Gigabyte Radeon RX 480 8GB video card for $240. This card has recently been released by AMD and by many is considered the new best bang for the buck GPU. Now for the RAM, I saw no need for anything more than 8GB. So I picked up a set of G.Skill Ripjaws X series 8GB DDR3 1600MHz RAM with a cache latency of 9 for just $38. Linking all of these components together will be the Gigabyte GA990FXA UD3 R5 ATX AM3 Plus motherboard at $100. This motherboard supports everything we will ever need and also provide a lot of expandability for future upgrades, which is very lacking in consoles. As the Xbox One uses a 1TB hybrid drive, I found it fitting to also use a 1TB hybrid drive, and for this I turned to Seagate for their 7200 RPM 1TB hybrid drive at $70. Finally, we need power. For this I went with the EVGA 500W 80+ bronze power supply for $43. The final price of the build came to $708, $4 less than the Xbox One setup, and this will properly destroy it in any benchmark. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please leave a like. It only takes like 2 seconds. It really helps a lot. And also remember to subscribe if you aren't already for more content like this daily, and leave a comment on what price bracket you would like to see next.